Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel Wi-Fi Exam Point। फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में इंग्लिश पैडागोजी लैंग्वेज 2 और पेपर 2 के इंग्लिश पैडागोजी के क्वेश्चंस को शामिल किया गया है। आप वीडियो को देखकर अपना ज्ञान चेक कर सकते हैं कि आप इंग्लिश पैडागोजी के कितने क्वेश्चंस सही कर पा रहे हैं। फ्रेंड्स, चलिए मेरे साथ चेक कीजिए अपना ज्ञान कि आप कितने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं। ये बिल्कुल डिफरेंट टाइप के हैं, तो आप वीडियो को शुरू से अंत तक ज़रूर देखें। चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और वीडियो को लाइक कर दें। चलिए दोस्तों, देखते हैं कि इसमें कौन कौन से प्रश्नों को शामिल किया गया है। उन सभी को वन बाय वन आप भी कॉपी पेन लेकर के बैठें और चेक करें अपना स्कोर कि आप कितने क्वेश्चंस इसमें से सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं। और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर अवश्य कर दें। क्वेश्चन 1 है, ए टीचर गिव ए पजल टू हर क्लास 8 स्टूडेंट एंड वर्क देम टू सॉल्व इट बाय स्पीकिंग आउट हाउ दे सॉल्व इट। व्हाट इज this strategy known as? Option A, thinking aloud protocol. Option B, listening. Option C, picture reading. Option D, speaking aloud. Which option is correct according to the questions? Okay friends, now check the answer of this question. Option A is correct, thinking aloud protocol. Thinking aloud protocol is right answer. Next देखते हैं दोस्तों, ऑप्शन A is right. ऑप्शन A। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, संस्कृत in India today is a. Option A, modern language and a classical language. Option B, religious language. Option C, Hindu language. Option D, modern India language. Which option is correct according to the question? Okay friends, now check the answer of this question. Sanskrit in India today is a modern language and a classical language. So our answer of this question, option A is right. Option A. Next, question 3, a teacher of class 8 asked her students to read a short story and come to the class. She asks them to discuss the major points of the story in group and present them to whole class. What is this regarding as known as? Option A, reading with purpose. Option B, reading for thinking. Option C, extensive reading. Option D, intensive reading. Which option is correct? Okay friends, now check the answer of this question. Answer of this question is option C, extensive reading. Option C is right for this question. Extensive reading means non-detailed study of the textbook. It focuses on main points. It is also to train the learner to read directly. So our answer of this question is option C is right. Next, question 4, English does not find its place as a. Option A, second language in the school curriculum. Option B, third language in the school curriculum. Option C, medium of instructions. Option D, first language in the school curriculum. Which option is right? ओके फ्रेंड्स, उसने पूछा है कि विच इंग्लिश डज नॉट फाइंड इट्स प्लेस। हमारा यहाँ पे जो आंसर सही होगा ऑप्शन के अकॉर्डिंग, ऑप्शन डी, फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज इन द स्कूल करिकुलम। ऑप्शन डी इज राइट। ऑप्शन डी, according to the question, English does not find its place as a first language in the school curriculum because National Curriculum Framework NCF 2005 focused on the main mother tongue. So, English language does not find its place as a first language in the school curriculum. So, our answer of this question, option D, is right. Next, question 5, bottom up processing in listening is to, option B, decode the overall message of the discourse and move down the micro label unit. Option B, encode all the sound from speaker to listener. Option C, use multiple beats to record the message. Option D, decode message moving from sound to word, phrases, clause and other grammatical elements to sentences. Which option is right for this question? Question 5. Okay friends, now check the answer of this question. Option D is right for this question. Option D, decode message moving from sound to word, phrases, clause and other grammatical elements to sentences. Bottom up processing is decode message moving from sound to word. So our answer of this question is option D is right. Option D. Next question, what is the following strategy known as in reading? The text is read or more slowly and in detail to get the gist or overall sense of the text. Option A, summarizing. Option B, skimming. Option C, scaffolding. Option D, scanning. Which option is right? Okay friends, now check the answer of this question. Read the questions attentively and give the answer of that questions according to the questions. The option of this question is skimming. Option B is right. Option B is right. Skimming is reading a text quickly to get general idea of meaning. So our answer of this question, the question is also provide the knowledge. The text is read more slowly and in detail to get the gist of overall sense of the text. So our answer of this question, option B, is right. Next question 7. A teacher asked her learners of class 7th to refer to the textbook of history and find a theme which can be connected with English language text for writing an essay. What is this practice known as? Language across the curriculum. V. Language in learning. Option C. Language and history integrated learning. Option D. Language and social science learning. Which option is right? Okay friends, now check the answer of this question. Option A is right. Language across the curriculum is a modern concept that a foreign or second language should be taught out of the traditional language classroom by using contextual and context. So our answer of this question, option A, is right. Multilingualism as a resource mean. Option A, using the language of learner as a strategy in school. Option B, teaching many languages. Option C, promoting of language through content learning. Option D, learning many languages in school. Which option is right? Okay friends, now check the answer of this question. Option A is right. Multilingualism as a resource means using the language of learners as a strategy in school, because NCF National Curriculum Framework 2005 focused on either mother tongue or rural language to understand language. So the our answer of this question, option A is right. A. Next है 9 number, match the types of the writing with their corresponding categories. Personal writing, letter of complaint. B. Study writing, diary writing, creative thinking, synopsis writing, public writing, travelogues. Match the following. So the answer of this question is option A is correct. Personal writing, diary writing, B. Study writing, synopsis writing, creative writing, लेटर ऑफ कंप्लेंट और पब्लिक राइटिंग, आपका जो ऑप्शन ए है वो बिल्कुल राइट होगा. ऑप्शन ए. ऑप्शन ए इज राइट. Question number 10. A teacher divides her class into groups of 5 and allocates different themes to the groups. The group have to collect information on the theme and write reports to be presented to the class. What is this activity known as? Project work, writing work, research assignment. Which option is right? Okay friends, check the answer of this question. Option A is right for this question. Option A, project work. Question 10. Process approach to writing involves option A, brainstorming, writing the first draft and final writing. Option B, outlining, revising and writing the final draft. Option C, writing the first draft, revising and developing the final rough graph. Next है brainstorming, outlining, drafting, revising, reading and research. Which option is right? Okay friend, now check the answer of this question. Option D is right. Option D. Next question. Continuous assignment of focus on informal assessment, informal and a combination of both formative and summative. Option C, outcomes and research based assessment. Option D, formal assessment. Which option is right? Continuous assessment focus on. Okay friends, now check the answer of this question. Option B is right. Continuous assessment means assessment aspects of learners' language through their course. So our answer of this questions, option B is right. Option B. Next question है, pre-reading activity in class is connect learners with one another, enable learners to know about the story with the would read ahead. All of these connect learners' previous knowledge with words she learns in the reading text. Which option is right? Okay friends, now check the answer of this question. Option D is right. Pre-reading activity in class is to connect learners' previous knowledge with what she learns in the reading text. So our answer of this question, option D is right. Option D is right friends. Option D. Next है, pedagogical grammar is option A, grammar for teachers. Option B, grammar in context to connect grammar points with real life context. Option C, grammar with formal rules to be applied while writing. Option D, grammar or pedagogy. Which option is right? Okay friend, check the answer of this question. Option B is right for this question. Option B. Option B is right. Option B. Grammar in context to connect grammar points with real life context. Pedagogical grammar is. Option B is right. Next question है, and the last question of this video. What are these words known as? The, of, and, a, to, what, that, it, with, what, they, she, is. Form words, use words, unimportant words, sight words. Okay friends, now check the answer of this question. Option D is right. Friends, option D is right. Sight words. All the given words are known as sight words. Sight words are commonly used word that young children are encouraged to memorize as a whole by sight, so that they can automatically recognize these words in print within these three sounds without having to use any strategies to decode. So our answer of this question is option D is right. These words are known as sight words. फ्रेंड्स, ये थे इंग्लिश पेडागोजी के 15 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी तो इसको लाइक और शेयर कर दें, और फ्रेंड चैनल पर अगर पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर लें, क्योंकि सब्सक्रिप्शन बिल्कुल निःशुल्क है। सब्सक्रिप्शन बिल्कुल निःशुल्क है दोस्तों। तो फ्रेंड्स चलिए मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए नमस्कार, जय हिंद, जय भारत। स्वस्थ रहें दोस्तों, मस्त रहें, अच्छी से तैयारी करते रहें। अगर आपको किसी टॉपिक पर वीडियो बनवानी तो आप कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।